Welcome back to day 5 of our Excel series. Today, we'll learn time-saving Excel shortcuts that can speed up your work. These are simple key combinations you can use with your keyboard. Quick shortcut overview. Here are the shortcuts we'll explore today. Ctrl N, New Workbook. Ctrl C, Copy. Ctrl V, Paste. Ctrl A, Select All. Ctrl N, New Workbook. Let's begin with Ctrl N. Just press the Ctrl key and N together. This opens a new blank workbook instantly. Ctrl C, Copy, and Ctrl V, Paste. Next, Ctrl C is for copying data. If you have a large table or any cell selected, press Ctrl C, same formula which you can see here. Then go where you want to paste it, and press Ctrl V, it will paste exactly what you copied. Ctrl A, Select All. To select your entire sheet, press Ctrl A. This is helpful when you want to apply formatting, copy everything, or clear the sheet. Ctrl P Print. Want to print your data? Press Ctrl P. It will open the print preview window where you can set up your print settings. Ctrl F4 Close Workbook. To quickly close the current workbook, just press Ctrl F4. Make sure to save your work before doing this. F12 Save As. Need to save a file with a new name or location? Press F12. This opens the Save As dialog where you can choose where and how to save it. Ctrl S Save. Press Ctrl S anytime to save your current work. This helps you avoid losing any progress while working. Ctrl O Open Workbook. To open a saved file, press Ctrl O and choose your file from the list. These shortcuts are easy to use and can save you a lot of time. Try practicing them daily, you'll start working much faster in Excel. That's it for day 5. In the next video, we'll learn how to use basic math formulas in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep learning with me.